Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Fiat Ducato. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, so click Bluetooth on there, and then we watch. I have got rather a lot of things connected to my phone, but we're looking out at the bottom here, and then we go to phone. Click phone, no phone connected, pair a phone, yes. It's giving me a PIN number there, but I don't think we're going to need it. So we'll just wait to see if it comes. Here we go, Uconnect. That's it. So we want Uconnect there. Click on that. Does your device display PIN? Yes, it does. So pair. It gives you an automatic pairing code if you do it this way. Contacts and favourites. Do you want them to sync? I don't, because I won't be using the van again. Thanks Spider Lifestyle for posting just as I'm doing this video. Pairing successful. Make this your favourite. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? No, I don't. But that's it. So that's, as you can see, that's connected.